Here at Fraser Robb's, we have various items that you can hire. You're able to hire everything from a strimmer, a lawnmower, up to a large commercial grass cutting equipment as well. All equipment is supplied full of fuel, and we ask for it to be returned full of fuel, but if not, we're able to top it up and charge you. Let's have a look at the type of equipment that you can hire from Fraser Robb's. This is a still scarifier, so it's a petrol engine and it has the blades underneath that lift the debris and the moss from your garden, and you're able to hire this on a daily charge or a weekly charge from Fraser Robb's. We also hire out skags. This is a 48-inch skag and we have a 36-inch flail as well. So we hire out the skag rotary deck and we hire out the skag flail. So we hire out various different types of garden tools. So this is a still hedge trimmer. So we hire this out, double-sided blade, and we also hire out the extended hedge trimmers as well. These can be hired out on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. So we also hire out the still pressure washer. This is the RE130 that's on our higher range just now. So an excellent pressure washer that you can hire on a daily basis from Fraser Robb's. So we also hire out these still strimmers. These are commercial strimmers and they can either come with a bump head or these ones have been out recently with a blade. We also hire out chainsaws. Full protection is provided when we hire out any chainsaws. So we have a small chainsaw here, which is a 211, and then also we can hire out the larger chainsaws as well for the bigger jobs. So this is a Still MS271. Just get in touch with us if you require any hire products. You can phone into the office, you can email us, you can contact us via the website. All the information of all the equipment and pricing is available on our website.